Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this session, we are going to discuss about Australia Day controversy. What is Australia Day controversy? The Australia Day controversy is around celebrating Australia Day on January 26th. The controversy began with the Change the Date campaign. The supporters of the campaign want to celebrate Australia Day on May 9 and not on January 26th. Currently, the Australia Day is celebrated on January 26th to commemorate, that is, to celebrate the arrival of first fleet of ships from Britain. The ships arrived on January 26, 1788. Around 11 ships from Portsmouth, that is, Britain, arrived at Botany Bay, located in Australia. The captain of the ship, Arthur Phillip, wanted to extend the voyage to Port Jackson. Port Jackson is the current-day Sydney. He wanted to do so in order to establish the first and official colony of the Britishers in Port Jackson of Australia. So when asked in exam, where did the Britishers arrive in Australia for the first time, it was Botany Bay and not Port Jackson. Now, the ships carried 1,480 men, women and children. They were all convicts from African American and French colonies. Convicts are people who were punished in courts. They could be robbers, thieves. Basically, they were all imprisoned people in different colonies of these three of Britishers and French. The main purpose of the voyage was to find a convict settlement colony. According to the indigenous community, January 26th is not the day of celebration. Rather, the day marks the beginning of suppression of Australians by the Britishers. So, they consider January 26th as an invasion day or survival day. The indigenous communities are the Aboriginals and the Torres Strait Islander people. They constitute to 2.4% of Australian community. They are called the first Australians. They want the Australian Day to be celebrated on May 9 because the first Parliament of Australia was held on May 9, 1901. Around 6 British colonies in Australia came together to find the Commonwealth of Australia. Apart from the National Day controversy, that is the Australia Day controversy, there are other controversies in Australia. One such is the National Anthem controversy. The National Anthem of Australia is Advance Australia Fair. Recently, that is on January 6, 2021, the Government of Australia changed the national anthem. The line, Australians all let us rejoice for we are young and free, was changed to Australians all let us rejoice for we are one and free. Basically, the word young was replaced with the word one. This was done to make the indigenous communities more inclusive in Australia. The national anthem of Australia was written in 1878, however, it became the official anthem in 1984. Since the origin of the anthem, the indigenous communities had issues with the national anthem. The recent one is that the word young signifies that the history of Australia began with British colonization. On the contrary, the indigenous community believe that Australia is more older than this. The roots of Australia is 50,000 years old according to these indigenous communities. The national anthem of Australia was written by Peter Dodds McCormick. There are still other issues that prevail with the national anthem of Australia. One such is related to the fourth line of the anthem, which reads, "Our home is girt by sea." The indigenous community want the word girt to be removed. According to them, the word is archaic and is misinterpreted.